This is a 2011 Jaguar XF. This sedan has over 380 horses and a 5.0-liter V8. Features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, alloy wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, xenon headlights, a security system, front and rear floor mats, stability control, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Thank you for considering the Park Place Premier Collection for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership on Lemmon Avenue.